So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aqua Station. So in this video I am going to discuss about the 12 things to know before buying a neon tetra fish. So neon tetra are small schooling fish found in normal freshwater river and streams in South America. So the first point which come to our mind is how many varieties are there in neon tetra. So in captive breeding of neon tetra has led to several varieties such as longfin, albino, golden and green neon tetra that differ from the true wild form. So number 2 is how long do neon tetra lives. In captivity, neon tetra are relatively long-lived provided that they are given good care, the correct environment and a high quality diet, and typically have a lifespan of around 6 to 8 years. So the third question which come to our mind is how big do neon tetra get? So neon tetra get 1.2 inches in length. So most neon tetra will be ready to breed in about 12 weeks. However, they will not have reached their maximum size until at least 7 months of age. So the number 4 point is how many neon should you get? Neon should be kept in a group of at least 6. Any less than this and they might start getting nervous and aggressive with each other. So the number 5th point is what should be the size of the tank for your neon tetra. Since neon tetra don't get very big, a single fish doesn't need a huge amount of space, just a gallon or two. But keep in mind you have to get a group of them. For this reason, I really don't recommend putting them in anything smaller than a gallon for a group of 6 fish. So the number 6 point is what should be the water temperature and pH for neon tetra. Temperature they require is 22 to 24 degrees centigrade and water pH is 6 to 7. Number 7th point is what kind of filtration do neon tetra need. You can use a sponge or a hang-on back filter for a neon tetra fish tank. If the fish are in a community tank with larger tank mate, you may need to invest in a good quality canister filter. So the number 8th point is which substrate is best for neon tetra. Substrate is not important when it comes to neon tetra. They can be kept in anything from gravel to sand to bare bottom tank, but since they prefer planted tank, you may want to go with a plant growing substrate. Hence aqua soil is the best aquarium substrate. So the number 9th point is what should you feed neon tetra. So neon tetra are omnivorous, meaning that they will eat both plants and animal material. Fine flakes food, small granules, live or frozen brine shrimp or daphnia and frozen dried bloodworms are all good food choice for neon tetra. And the number 10th point is do neon tetra need light? Like other tropical freshwater fish, tetra require the light to be on in their tank for 12 to 14 hours each day. So number 11th point is what do neon tetra need in their tank? It's best to provide your neon with a mixed environment with some open swimming space and a lots of plant cover. So last point is what fish can live with neon tetra. Neon tetra are peaceful and mostly schooling fish. Usually these fish will not attack others in the tank, nor will they go after freshwater shrimp, snails or other creature. So neon tetra make good tank mates with cardinal tetra, Corydoras catfish, discus fish, guppies, harlequin rasbora, mollies, plecos or sucker catfish, white cloud mountain minnows and of course with other neon tetra. They can also coexist with apple snail, loaches and ghost shrimps. So this was all information regarding the neon tetra care. I hope this video will definitely help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.